Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube live, my first live. Okay, so I'm waiting for more people to join in so we can discuss. Let me try to see how the output looks like. Good afternoon, bro. How are you? How is Osun State? Waiting for more people to join in. All right. Hello, thermal camera. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for hitting the like. How is the quality? I'm just testing out the live. How are you guys? Thank you for joining in. How are you? Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. Hey, what's up, bro? Serial Tech. Salute everyone. Thank you for joining in. I appreciate you for the videos. Can you used to post? We need more of it. No problem. From Delta. Thank you so much for watching from Delta State. All right. It's nice to have you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys too also for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing people. Thank you so much. From Osun State. All right. How is Osun? Where in Osun are you watching from? Where in Osun State? Is it from Osogbo, Ikirun, Ilesha? Where are you watching from? And if you have question, please drop it down. Ilesha, Osun State. I actually graduated from Leventis Foundation in Ilesha, 2019. The school name is Leventis Foundation. It's an agricultural school. So yes, thank you for watching, guys. Do you want more of this live? If you have questions, you can also drop it down. How is the noise? Is the noise not too much? Is the noise too much? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. This is my workspace. Thank you so much for watching. We have a lot of people joining. We have 6 people already. Wow. Thank you. Let's get to know each other. And if you have questions as well, let me know. Thank you for joining in. Really appreciate. Make sure you hit that like button, okay? I'm still a learner on phone, engineer, and is a village. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry. I got you covered, bro. I got you covered. Just make sure you're watching all my videos that I'm dropping, then you'll be fine. I also have videos on how to use a multimeter, how to use digital multimeter. I have five videos that I dropped. So don't worry, bro. This is the best place for you. This is my first live, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Okay? You guys are making me so happy. I don't know why I'm so smiling this afternoon. All right. In any way you want my support, let me know. I want to learn more on troubleshooting, mostly on phones that are not powering on. Okay, no problem. I'll be dropping lots of videos regarding that. Actually, not all phones can be fixable. I mean, getting parts in Nigeria is a bit difficult, as I was previously in South Africa before I relocated back to Nigeria. So here in Nigeria, I see most problems that technicians face here is that they don't get parts. Okay, you don't get parts. Like, look at this phone. And most of the phones that technicians like you brings to your phone, to your table. It's they have worked. They are most of the people here, guys. Most of the technicians here, where I am, man, look at that. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm just trying to. It's my first live. For example, this phone. Okay, I have here. The technician told me that guys, wait, let me check if the sound is coming out properly. Okay, just give me a minute. Oh, the noise is too much. I'm going to see where else I'm going to make this live. The noise is too much. But hope you guys are hearing me though. Okay, like I was saying on this phone. Hey, I am from Ghana. I love your videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much from Ghana. Okay, thank you so much from Ghana. Okay, this phone, I actually want to say something about this phone, guys. Okay. Please make sure you like the video, okay? It's very important. Okay, yeah, I'm making an example of this PCB. Okay. I don't know if you hear properly. Blood of Jesus. Okay. I just want to talk about this PCB. All right, this PCB, the technician brought it to me. Was it 3 days ago? Yeah, 3 days ago he brought this PCB to me. It's dead actually. So he told me that the client said the phone enters the water. Okay, so when the phone enters the water, as a technician, he didn't remove the shields. Let me show you the shields. I actually took out all these shields from the phone. I took out all these shields from this phone. So he said he soaked it in the petrol for 3 days. Then after 3 days he dried it up. So after he dried it up, the phone was showing charging on the screen. It was showing charging on the screen. Okay, so the phone was showing charging on the screen, but the phone cannot power on. All right, that was the problem. So because the phone cannot power on, the guy soaked this precious PCB back into the petrol for 2 days. He soaked it inside the petrol for 2 days. After 2 days, then he removed the phone, he dried it up again, and the phone was not powering on anymore. So when I heard this, I knew there is a big problem, because you soak this phone into the chemical for 3 days, let's say 5 days now, 5 days soaking this phone. And one of his mistakes was he did not remove the shield from the phone. He did not remove the shield from the phone. Okay, on both sides. Now the sheets are open now because I removed it myself. I showed you earlier. So if you are watching, please, if you are coming in, if you are just coming in, please make sure you hit the like. And if you have not subscribed, you can subscribe. Okay, my story. I don't like telling stories. My mouth is painful already. Okay, now one of the first thing I would say his mistake was, as a technician, when you get a phone that has water damage, first thing I always talk about is physical inspection. Okay, now you see that because some clients, when the phone gets inside the water, the first thing they do is go and dip it inside the rice, or some clients can put it inside microwave oven. They can put it there. So then they'll bring it to you and say the phone is. So once you see a phone that has water related issue and you discover there are rust around the PCB, the first thing you should do as a technician is to remove all the shields. is to remove all the shields from the PCB. Remove all the shields from the PCB. Okay, once you remove the shield from all the PCB, it will give you enough room to check all the rusts that the phone is having and where the phone is having rust before you start servicing. So I would say the first error this technician made was that he did not remove the shields. He just soaked it inside the petrol and he removed it and he was servicing it. He was drying it up with heat. Okay, so let me show you guys. I don't know if you are going to see, but maybe I will drop a video of how this PCB was looking like. Okay, after the technician claimed he serviced this phone, after he claimed that he cleaned this phone, I will drop the video down as a short. I'll drop it as a short, probably today or maybe tomorrow. I'll drop it. So it is important that you remove the shields. Guys, when I remove the shields, I discovered that there is still a lot of rust inside that phone. That means this guy like unintentionally killed this PCB. He unintentionally killed this PCB because this phone would have worked if he removed the shield after the customer complained that the phone Oga Philo mobile phone repair. I have a Nokia G20 that off and could not charge or on anymore. Alright, that means you have to troubleshoot. Okay, there are some questions you ask your clients. Why is the phone, what happened? Do you understand? You need to ask them because it will help you troubleshoot the phone. Some customers love lying, they lie a lot. So, but you must still ask the question, why does the phone goes off? Okay, why did the phone goes off? You must ask your client. So now what I was saying is that after I removed the shield, I found a lot of rusts, like a lot. The PCB wasn't even clean as this. The PCB was very terrible. Like I said, I'm going to drop the video. I'm going to drop a short video of how this PCB was looking like before I opened the shield, and after I opened the shield, how this PCB was looking like. So yeah, so say G20 that off Nokia G20 and could not charge. Most of the problems that the PCB have is where is your location? Okay, I'm located in Ondo State. Alright, to be precise. Sorry for the noise, guys. I just say let me make the first live video and let's see how it's going to look like. So if you guys enjoy this type of live, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and someone asked me in the two previous videos I dropped that he needs to learn how to make a short killer. So I'm going to, should I teach you guys right now, or you want me to make a full video about it? Let me know. If you want me to talk about the short killer right now, please let me know. Please let me know right now in the comment section. I'll be waiting to hear from you guys. I'm waiting to hear from you guys. Okay, make a full video about it. Okay, it's just one person that responded. I want more response. Probably this one is not that okay because of the noise and all that. I have only one response regarding short killer. Please, if you want me to make video regarding short killer, please, Serial Tech, I see your response. Thank you. Do you have any other person that is interested in learning how to make short killer? A local, let's say not a professional short killer, but a local short killer. And everyone that has popped in to watch this live, I really appreciate you. You provide live, yeah, wahala, so that we can ask questions. Okay, we have how many comments regarding make it now, and someone say make a full video. I want one more comment regarding the short killer. Do you want me to teach you right now? Do you want me to teach you how to make short killer right now, or you want me to do it later? Steven Weafi says do it right now so that we can ask questions. Okay. Some people have not yet liked the video. Some people have not liked the video yet. Please like the video. It's my first live video. Please, oh. You know, Nigerians we like adding to the end of our conversations. So, okay. One more person. Should I make a special video explaining short killer, or you want it right now? If you want it right now, please let me know. Those people that are coming in without liking my video, please now, come on now. This is my first live. Like right now. Short killer, do you want it right now, or you want me to make a full video about it? One more. We have two people that say make a full. We have two people that said I should do it right now, and we have one person that says I should make a video about it. So what do you say, guys? One more person. We have 21 people watching. What's going on? We have 21 people watching. Oh, it's reduced to 12 now. Okay. Am I shouting? Sorry for the noise in the background. It's live, you know. Everything I'm doing right now is just the live. Short killer. This is my short killer. Short killer 1, short killer number 1, and the DC power supply short killer number 2. Like the video. Okay, guys. I don't like wasting much time. So I'm going to explain now, and I'm also going to make a video about it later. Is that okay? Guys? I'm going to explain right now. Let me take I need pure water. Let me. Oh God. I'm talking much, so I need water. This is Nigerian pure water, original. All right, guys. What is a short killer? Okay, what is a short killer? A short killer is just an English word. Do you understand what I'm saying? But let's explain what is short first. Okay? When we have shortest circuits, then we have something that kills the short or that removes the short. So that's why they say it is a short killer. So a short literally means when the negative and the positive terminal of a component, or a positive and a negative terminal of a PCB comes together. Do you understand? When it comes together, someone joined and he wrote, please, I don't understand that language. Help me retranslate in English. Let me see if I can. I can't even. Sorry, I don't understand that language. Sorry. So short is when positive and negative terminals comes together. Do you understand? When it comes together, that's when there is short. Okay? When the positive line and the negative line of a PCB, okay, or a component on the PCB joins together. So that means, literally, it means they are not supposed to join together. The negative is supposed to be in negative spots, and the positive line is supposed to be in the positive line. So there is no conflict, there is no fighting. Do you understand? There is no fighting. So now if the positive line and the negative line comes together, that's what we call short. Okay, sorry guys, I think a message came in that drops the, do you understand guys? So now that is what we call short. All right, for example, we have capacitors. Okay, capacitors. I'm not prepared for this live, but let me try. This PCB does not have capacitor. Okay, now the phone I was holding. Okay, I was holding this PCB. Guys, I need good camera. I need good camera. Okay, so now if you have capacitor on the PCB, okay, you have different types of capacitor. We have polarized capacitor and non-polarized capacitor. Okay, polarized capacitor are the capacitors that are having the negative and the positive lines noted. Do you understand? That is a polarized capacitor. It's a polarized capacitor. We have negative and positive terminals, and they are indicated. Do you understand? They are indicated. I have made a video about capacitor. Okay, I've made a video about capacitor. Go and watch it. Okay, go and watch it. So now when the short, like I'm saying, when there is a shorted component on the PCB, do you understand? When there is shorted component on the PCB and we have a short killer to remove that short or to burn that short. So now I explained that when two lines comes together, the positive terminal and the negative terminal, when it comes together and they are not supposed to come together, that's when you have short. Do you understand? So to read short, you have your multimeter and you put your multimeter on diode mode. Yeah, you have watched that video. Thank you so much. So you put your multimeter on diode mode. Okay, or continuity mode. Almost multimeter. I have another multimeter here. So when you put it here, this is a continuity mode. You see this logo? It's a continuity mode. So now when you take this red probe and black probe and you join it together like this, so that means you are shorting it. That's why you hear shorting. You are shorting it together. Now when the PCB is having a short, sometimes you get your reading on the multimeter and you hear a beep sound. And if you are using diode mode, you will see it's right 0.001 or 0.002 or 0.003 voltage drop, okay, on diode reading. So now a short killer can help you two things. A short killer will help you detect where the short is. Do you understand what I'm saying? The short killer has positive terminal and the negative terminal. Okay, so it will help you detect the shorting component on that PCB. Most of the times there are capacitors that are short. Most of the times is ICs that are short. Do you understand what I'm saying? They are shorted on that PCB. So now when you use the short killer, number one, it helps you detect where that short is on the PCB. Do you understand? So if it is a capacitor that is short, the capacitor will heat up. So if it's an IC that is short, it will heat up. Do you understand? Which will allow you to know, okay, this is the capacitor that is short, or okay, this is the IC that is short. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then you'll be able to replace that component or you remove that component. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, with the understanding of short, now I'm going to recap what I said, okay? The important ones. Short is when two, okay, polarity comes together, or two terminals come together and they are not supposed to come together. Now I'm looking for a way to explain better. All right. Okay, what we are going to do is let me just go straight to telling you how to make a short killer. Okay, I'm going to explain now, and I'm also going to make a video on it. So now you can make a short killer by normal battery that I'm holding. Okay, there are some batteries like, you see, Techno batteries, Itel battery. I don't know if you can see this Itel battery, Techno, all these type of batteries, you can use them. Okay, so how do you do it? A quick one. A short killer must have at least 3.7 or 3.8 volts. So you try to read with your multimeter, it must have 3.7 or 3.8 or 3.9 or 4 volts. Do you understand? Now the battery must have that kind of volts. Number one, that's very important. Now number two, you know that the battery has this flex cable that goes with the connector. So what you are, let me take one of this battery out so that I can explain better. All right, let me use this battery. So now, take for example, you want to use this battery as a short killer. Okay, you want to use this battery as a short killer. All right. First, you open up this spot. You see, it is having two terminals, the positive and the negative, or vice versa. It can be this one. Okay, positive and the negative. It can be the positive and the negative. So you remove this plastic cover, and you will see these two terminals. Do you understand? You will see these two terminals. Then you remove, like I'm removing it now, you remove that plastic away. Okay, you remove that plastic away. Then you remove this part. You remove this part away from these two terminals. So what you are going to do is that you are going to apply lead and remove this part with your soldering iron. So let me do it right now. Okay. Let me do it right now. We are having electricity, so I'm going to do it right now. Okay? So let me see if I can turn my camera. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Oh my God. I don't know how to. Okay. I'm trying to set the so this is the battery. Okay, so we are going to remove these two legs away from this thing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to apply flux. I'm going to apply flux on the terminals. Okay, then I'm going to use this, okay, to solder and remove those things from there. Let me switch on the lights. So you make sure your soldering iron is very hot. So that it can melt that away. One of the sides is out. And the second one. Hello, sir. Welcome, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Thank God, sir. Yes, sir. Well done, sir. So, guys, I'm going to pause here. I will join you again later. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, I'm on the live. How's everything, sir? No, I can't do anything about the fingerprints because you have to buy a complete set of fingerprints.
Cost how much?
For the specific phone, I have to find out and get back to you. But I have removed that one that is there because it's also giving trouble to that phone. It keeps going to score that phone.
So how much you are going to revenue?
I'm not even supposed to charge you more than 8,000, but I'm just saying for the first time.
So talk to 11,200.
11,200. No problem, it's fine. No problem.
Well, you have my number.
Yeah, I have it.
When you come out, you give me feedback.
Yes, I'll do. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, my electricity is out. So, like I was saying, you are going to remove both. I've only managed to remove one of the terminals. I've only managed to remove one of the terminals, so I'm supposed to remove this one too. Okay, I'm supposed to remove this one too, but it's okay. So you get the idea. I just have to remove the both legs from this. So it's going to look like this. My electricity is out, guys. So let me show you this one. So after watching this video, make sure you go and also make sure you also try this in your shop. Okay, so after you remove this one, this flex cable, sorry, this thing is blurring out. Let me switch back to my normal. Okay, guys, I'm sweating. Ready. Nigeria with power problem. My God, have mercy. Okay. So, as I was saying, I hope you guys are still online. Sorry for that. I have a client. That was the content I released this morning. That was the client that came now. She came to pick up his phone. So, guys, like I was saying, so after you remove this flex cable, it's going to look like this. Do you understand? It's going to look like this. So now I want you to pay attention, okay? You see this line says this is negative, right? You see minus right here, minus right here, then plus right here. Okay, plus right here. So this is the plus, this is the positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. Some batteries don't indicate this plus and minus. Do you understand? Some batteries don't indicate the plus and minus. So what you are going to do is that you get your multimeter. Okay? Get your multimeter, you put it on voltage mode, voltage reading. Okay? Put on voltage reading. Then you are going to, what is this? What is happening with my multimeter? Okay, then you take readings. Okay, you put your positive on any sides. Okay, you put your positive on any how can I read this thing? Okay, so like so, you know, I told you this part is the negative, right? And this part is the positive. So now let me put the positive on the negative. Let me put the positive on this negative. I'll put the negative on the positive. So now let's see what reading is going to give us. It's hard though, guys. That's 3.6. 3.6, right? 3.6 right there. So it's minus 3.6. Let me put it again. You see that minus there? You see that minus? So once you see that minus, then that means that minus, you know, you are using your positive probe on that minus. That means that minus that is showing, that means you're supposed to reverse your probes. Then this one now is the negative and this side is the positive. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, guys? So once you do that, now you get a wire like mine. You can make yours the red. You can make the negative side, you can make it black, and make this side and make it red, so that you don't get confused. Do you understand? I put this wire because I already know the polarities, the polarity of the probes of my. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I already know the polarity. That's why I didn't put black and red. Put the black to represent the negative terminal, and you can put the red to be the positive terminal. Okay, so now once you do that, you have something like this. And after that, make sure you insulate the terminals. Make sure you insulate the terminals. I'm insulating with this, so you can use this to insulate as well, so that they don't breach. Do you understand? So that's very important. So when you use one battery, it will be less powerful, but it's still a short killer. Do you understand? It can kill the short up to some extent, but you can also double the battery. You can also double the battery. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can double the battery. You can triple the battery. It's still going to give you the same 3.7 volt or 3.9 volt or 4 volts. You understand? But the power, we call that power because it's 3. Do you understand? The power will be more. That's the amps. The amps means the power in which it supplies current on that PCB. Do you understand? It's very high. So you can put 3 batteries together, but make sure the polarity of the negative goes with the negative and the positive goes with the positive. Please don't explode, don't make bomb. You can make it 4. So the more you are making the batteries, the more powerful the short killer is going to be. Do you understand? But if you just want to you want to know where the short is. Do you understand what I'm saying? You want to know where the short is, you can just make only one battery is fine, just to know where that short is. But if you want to remove that short, finally you don't even want to know where the short is coming from. For example, a shorted capacitor. If you don't want to know where the short is coming from, you just want it to remove the short. Bam, you can combine 4 batteries, even 10 batteries. Do you understand? You even combine 10 batteries. It's not a problem. The voltage is still the same, but the amps has increased. Do you understand? The more the batteries, the more the amps. That is that about short killer. I have not talked about everything about it, but for now I hope I have been able to explain. So if you have a question, now is your time to ask question. I'm waiting. It's your time to ask question. It's your time to ask question about short killer. Please ask your question now. Where's my water? Please ask your question. If there is something you need to know about the short killer, please ask your question now, please. I thought I was gonna go offline, but I think I'm fine. Let me get my fan. If you are still watching, I am Peter Rono from Kenya. Hey, Kenya! Big fan of Kenya people. I'm a big fan of Kenya people. Kenyans. Thank you so much for joining my live. 1 minute. So let me have some fan blowing. All right. Any question regarding all that I have explained so far in the few minutes? Do you have any question, guys? Please ask your questions regarding short killer. And if you have any other questions as well, no problem. I'm waiting. Thank you, Mr. Peter Rono from Kenya. It's nice to have you on the live. Make sure you hit that like button. Do you have questions? Sorry for that break in transmission. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have question, please let me know. Let me know right now in the comment section. Or if you have any question regarding mobile PCBs or repairing. Engineer, what is the maximum current needed for short killer? The maximum should be 4 volts or 3.9 volts. Or 3.7 volts as well. For display. Light IC yìí kan. Ẹ ní light IC náà. Ẹ lè mú panel kan láti ní. Iná ẹ̀ yẹn. Okay. So another work came in for lights from a technician. So I have to help him out with this phone. There is no three current. Oh, sorry, the maximum current. The maximum current. 5 amps max. Please don't exceed that. 5 amps. 5 amps. 5 amps. So this phone has backlight problem. Backlight problem. But there is the technician, when he was removing the shields. Another thing you guys should note, when you are removing the shields, you have to be very careful. You see, these lines are peeled off. If you can see these lines, this line is coming like so, and it came here. It has peeled off. So when you are removing shields from your phone, please don't allow the pads to be peeled off, because some terminals go through that peeled stuff. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? So don't make this mistake. The question I came across your channel today, and I have watched some of your videos. When you removed a shorted capacitor, how did you know it is? How do you know it's capacitance? Okay, guys, most of these capacitors, the capacitance are not written on the capacitor itself. So what you are going to do is you look for the same size of capacitor. If the capacitor is a big capacitor, don't replace it with a small capacitor. Make sure you replace it with the big capacitor, like the same size. Okay, that's how I can explain to you so that you can understand. Do you understand what I'm saying? It will work properly, because first you need to know the function of capacitor. I have made a video about that. Please go and watch it. Okay, it will help you. So can you use charger that red and black wire as short killer? Can you use charger? Guys, I will not advise you to use charger. I will not advise you to use charger, but if you use charger and it works for you, it's fine. If you use it and it works for you, it's fine, no problem. But I will advise you not to use charger. Please don't use charger. One last question before I end the live. I need to help this client. I need to help this technician. I need to help him. And if I manage to repair it, I might make a video about this. But if you understand, one more question, then I can end the live, guys. One more question. Kọ́lọ́n jẹ́ kélé náà dá àìsí tó wà lórí fún ẹ̀kú náà. Ó sì pọ̀ iná tọ́jà wà mọ́ lọ báyìí. Gbẹ̀jẹ́ ká fún náà yẹn 3 minutes díẹ̀ sí pàtí náà dé. Màá ṣe jẹnẹrétọ̀ náà báyìí ṣe. So where do you place the wire to? Okay, yeah, that's a very good question. That is a very good question. Where do you place the wires on that short killer? Now, I spoke about the positive terminal of that battery and the negative terminal of that battery. The negative terminal goes to the ground. The negative terminal goes to the ground, and the positive terminal goes to the positive line of a capacitor of that component you are touching. For example, capacitor. You must know the polarity of that capacitor on that PCB. Do you understand? So don't put negative on positive and don't put positive on negative. Make sure your negative probe of your short killer is always on GND. It's always on ground. Make sure it's always on ground. And the positive terminal goes to the positive side of that capacitor, or on the positive terminal, or on the positive terminal. I'm going to answer that question. Sorry, 1 minute. Or the positive terminal of the VBAT. Do you understand? Of the VBAT. Ground, you can find ground anywhere. This ground, you can put your negative on this thing. You can put it. You see, when after you remove the shields, after you remove the shields, you see that line. This line on that shield. You understand? That shows that you remove. That's also ground. It's also GND. So you put your negative on GND and the positive on the positive terminal. I have a video on my YouTube channel. I have a video that I use that short killer. I use this one. Please go and watch that video. Please go and watch that video. Go and watch that video. Let me search for that video. When are you again live online? I don't know. This is my first live and I'm trying to see how it works. If you guys support me properly, I will go live often, okay? So let me look for that video. I will show you that video, okay? That I use that. Oh my God. 1 minute, guys. Am I still live? Okay, I'm still live. Okay, videos. I have Samsung. You see this video? Samsung phone switches off charger. Samsung phone switches off charger. This video, go and watch this video. Hey, this reflection. Okay, go and watch this video. Samsung phone switches off charger. Okay, go and watch this video. I use short killer on this video. Go and watch that video. You place one side of the wire on the faulty capacitor and the other to the ground. When exactly, bra. Hey, this brother has watched my video. yes, that's the video. Yes, that is the video. Samsung phone switches off charger light after plugging. I uploaded this video 1 month ago. Yes, where I use this rosin flux. Yeah, that video I use this rosin flux. So please go and watch that video. Go and watch that video. It is very, it will guide you on how to use short killer. Trust me. It will guide you a lot on how to use short killer. %. So that's the last question I'm going to take for today. If you want to know when I'm going to go live again, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you for the likes. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. It is very important. You see all the videos that I upload on my YouTube channel. All these videos are very educational. They are very educative. There is no video you will watch and you will not learn something. You always. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next live, guys. I love you so much. You guys are amazing. You've made this live a wonderful one. I feel like talking till tomorrow, but I have work to do. I need to make money. I need to make money. Oh, I need to make money. Oh. So guys, can you say bye in the comment section? Love you too, bro. Thank you so much. Can you just say bye in the comment section so I just don't drop you guys? Just type bye, guys. See you next time when I go live. Thank you, Fasu Pro 200. Thank you so much. Bye. No, what is no? What is no, bro? I love you too, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I love you so much. I'm gonna drop more videos. Guys, I also repaired decoders. Okay, DSTV decoders. Okay, I also repaired DSTV decoders. I'm gonna be dropping more videos on this DSTV. Watch that video and like and subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos, guys. Don't just chill, relax, man. Chill, bro. See you guys. Thank you. See you in my next live. Bye. How do you end this live, bro? Hey, how do you end this live? Yes. Bye, guys. Bye.